Managing IT infrastructure in-house can drain your time, budget, and team. Between constant maintenance, security threats, and the need to scale, it's easy to feel like you're stuck in survival mode. That's why more businesses are choosing to outsource. Today, we're exploring the key benefits of IT infrastructure outsourcing and why it's quickly becoming a smarter, more strategic move for growing companies. You're not just cutting costs, you're gaining 24/7 monitoring, stronger cybersecurity, and access to specialists in cloud, compliance, and system performance, without having to hire an entire team. As Megan Sullins, Chief Strategy Officer at MIS Solutions, puts it, outsourcing infrastructure is no longer just about saving money, it's about smarter operations, deeper resilience, and future readiness. Outsourcing turns unpredictable costs into a steady monthly investment. It gives you on-demand scalability, tighter compliance support, and freedom to shift your internal IT focus to innovation, not just maintenance. If you're ready to stop putting out fires and start building something better, infrastructure outsourcing might be your next smart move. Get the complete guide in our latest blog, and don't forget to save this podcast to your Spotify playlist for future listening.